Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Structural Tech. This is Engineer Afsha Khan Khalil and today we will be learning what is ETABS API and before diving into that, first I would like to introduce what is API. So API is nothing but it stands for Application Programming Interface, which helps two different software communicate with each other and get the job done. So let's take an example of the following image where you can see there is a customer who goes to the restaurant, make the order. Like for example, the customer want to order a pizza. So the customer will have certain requirements how the customer want its pizza to be, like cheesy, spicy, not spicy, everything. So the waiter will act like an API. It will note down all the instructions given by the customer. The waiter will take the order to the chef. The chef will prepare the order as per the requirement of the customer, and the waiter will take back the order to the customer. So, what is the need of an API? This thing might be coming into your mind. So API basically, if you want to fully control a software and get the job done, so you cannot do it without API. If you have certain requirements and you want to completely automate it, you want your job to be automatically done, so through API, the software, every software has an API, so it allows the users to control a particular software up to some extent. So through an API, you can up to some extent control a particular software. So that's how in ETABS API is. You can control your CSI, any software like CSI Bridge, SAP, any software by Python, by the integration of Python with ETABS API, you can fully control your ETABS through an API. So without wasting any minute, we will dive into the document of ETABS API. So as you know, you might have heard the SAP software, the Bridge software, all the CSI software, even though the structural robot, these all softwares have an API. The owner give you an access to control your software up to some extent. Like there are some things which the owners don't give you an access, like for example, which I will be explaining in the document of ETABS API. What are the things which you can't control? So that's how the API works. You will take a programming language, like any programming language, Python, VBA, C++. You will take any programming language, connect it with any your software through an API, and you will tell the API what is the job you want to perform. For example, you want to construct 1,000 of beams. So the API will take your request to the software, and the software will help you to get the job done. So to find where is the ETABS document, just go and find in your C drive the ETABS version. For example, I have 21 version installed. So I will go to the folder. I will click in the CSI API ETABS document. It will open the full ETABS API document, and I will click on the contents, and here in the examples there will be different example given according to which language, in which language you want to control your software, like Python, as you can see, VBA, C++. These all programming languages are given through which you can control your software. There are also different example which you can explore by yourself. Look at these examples. There are different examples, so it is really simple. You have to just, for example, you want to automate any topic, so you have to just go to the search and just enter the topic you want to search, and it will give you how you can automate in different languages. It will give you how you can automate that particular task in any language. So as you can see, there is an option, search. So you will just click that option of search. For example, I want to know how you can automate units in the ETAP software. So it will give me all the topic related to the unit, and as you can see, there is a code of how to automate any unit inside the ETAP. So you can literally click any unit. There are particular like numbers assigned to each and every unit, and you can automate that. Now if I want to automate materials, so it will also give me the topics how to like define different materials, as you can see. So one thing I want to tell you that there are like Python codes not available. Like in other languages these codes are available but not in Python, but as through AI you can easily convert any code which is given in C++ or VBA into Python directly by using any AI. So no need to worry about that these codes are in other language, how I can use Python language. So this task can be easily done. Don't worry about it. One thing which I also want to tell you that there are few tasks which I have observed, like two of the topic which can't be automated through API. So so one of the topic which I have observed, like there is no particular code about it, is the wind load case. So if I search the wind load case, there will be no particular code appear for it. Like by wind load case I mean to say, when you once you created the load pattern for wind load cases like wind X and wind Y, as you can see when I click on it there is no topic or code appears. So if you want to automatically update the table of or automatically feed the value inside that table, so you have no code available in any language for it. So that is one of the thing which is not available. Another thing which I have observed that there is no code about it is the design of the shear wall. So if you want to automatically click the design, like for example click the design of the shear wall, if you have created any GUI, or in any, for example, for if you have not created GUI and you want to like just click the design, run the code of the design, and it automatically design the shear for you. So as you can see there is also no code available for the design of the shear wall. So these are the few things which I have observed that there is no code for it. So maybe in another versions of ETAB like 22, 23, these functionalities are available, but I'm using 21, so I have not seen any code for it. So if you want to know more about what and dive like deeply into the ETABS API, so please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any video about the ETABS API.